WordPress is known for its flexibility. That flexibility is defined by the themes and plugins used by WordPress. There are thousands of themes and plugins to use for free. However, there is sometimes the need for custom work. There are plenty of developers that specialize in creating custom themes and plugins, but detailing custom work is beyond the scope of this course. Say you're a company that has a custom database of information that you want available to your customers and visible in a particular way. You could hire a developer to create a plugin that would display the information from that database according to your specifications. More commonly, developers and designers are hired to create custom themes. One of the primary desires of any web designer or owner of a web property is to have a completely unique and functional website that screams their brand. It's fairly difficult to achieve this effectively with a free theme, though there are free themes available that can be modified to reflect your brand. Just be aware that your site may look a lot like other sites on the internet. WordPress does provide us an easy way to find and install new themes and plugins. We'll start with themes. Go to the WordPress dashboard and click the Appearance button. You'll see some further options appear in a submenu, the topmost of which is Themes. We'll click that, and now we see the Manage Themes interface. We also have an Install Themes tab. If we switch to the Install Themes tab, we can see that we have a search box and some filtering options. We can filter on color, the number of columns, width, features, and subject. The Features filter allows us to search for specific features, such as BuddyPress compatibility, custom colors, and custom headers, among the other options. The Subject filter allows us to pick out holiday, photo blogging, or seasonal themes. If we search with no keywords or filters defined, we can see that there are 618 themes available for the currently installed version of WordPress. You can preview the theme to see it full screen before you install it to make sure it looks the way you want it to look. Installing a theme is as simple as clicking Install Now. The theme is downloaded and installed automatically. To activate the theme, simply click Activate underneath the theme at the bottom of the page. We'll stay with 2012 for now because of the simplicity of the theme. If we click the Customize link, we're given this page. From here, we can see our site and see the effects of the changes we make in customization. If you click on the box that contains the name of the theme, you'll see more information about the theme provided by the author. The Site Title and Tagline option allows us to change the text that appears at the top of our site. The title is, obviously, the larger, more prominent of the two, and the tagline is the smaller text, usually a sentence or phrase of some kind relevant to the site. This could be your company motto or a favorite quote. Note that it can also be left blank. The Colors box allows you to change the colors that are definable in your theme. The available editable colors will likely change depending on which theme you're using. In the 2012 theme, which is distributed with WordPress, we can change the background color and the header text color. Other themes may include alternate headers, background colors of specific pieces of the page, and other customizable design elements. The next box allows us to change our background image. This is useful to make a freely available theme seem more customized and unique to your brand. Finally, we can change what our front page displays by default. Normally, the front page is occupied by your latest posts. If you'd rather set the front page to open to a custom page that might contain your latest product announcement, you can set that here. We'll save and publish and look at some more theme options. If we click the Widgets button, we can change what widgets we want to use. If you're not familiar with the term, you can think of a widget as the boxes you see in the WordPress sidebars. These boxes can contain any sort of information or functionality if you have the appropriate widget. WordPress includes a number of widgets by default. An in-depth guide to widgets will be featured later in the course. The next link is the Menus link. This takes us to the Menu Management page where we can view and edit our custom menus. Again, we'll cover menus more in depth later on. The header link allows us to upload a new header image. Not all themes make use of a header image, but most do. It resides at the top of your page with the header text, which can be disabled if your header image is to serve as the title text of your site. If we want to keep the text in addition to the header, we can change the color of that text here. Keep in mind that if you don't use a header image, you can always change the color of the text here as well. Finally, we can change the background image. This is the same background image as defined in the customization section we covered earlier. We'll experiment with more advanced theme customization later in the course.